The World Health Organization Global Report on Equal Health for the 1.3 billion people with disabilities in the world says that many people with disabilities die early or have poorer health than other people. So, if you want to know, my name is Pearl. I am 21 years old, and I am one of those 1.3 billion. Today, I want to share my personal experience of the health system and talk about healthcare for all people, including people like me. Recently, I had to go to the hospital in an emergency. There were many blood tests done, and I waited to hear what was wrong. After a couple of hours, a nurse came and lifted my hospital gown and injected me in my stomach. When my parents asked what was happening, and she gave literally no information and said that would be my life now, and we all should get used to it. She did not talk to me at all. Like, literally. I felt very scared and mega sad. To me, health is about being able to do all the things that I like to do, and knowing that if I have a problem with my health, that I will feel safe and be respected and treated fairly like everyone else at the doctor or in the hospital. Therefore, I would like to leave you all with 3 important messages from the WHO. At first, it is not fair that people with the disabilities often do not live as long and may experience poorer health than others. Second of all, to change this, people with disabilities and their organizations need to be involved in making decisions within the health sector. And the third last, we can do a lot to make the health sector fair for people with disabilities. These things are not difficult or expensive and can help everyone to be better health. This makes so much sense to me, and hopefully to you too. Thank you.